YOLO Swagmaster 42097. I am going to get you. I'm going to devour you. And next time you breach my wooden house on Minecraft, I am going to burn you into flames. I'm going to make sure your ashes go to the ground, cool down a little bit, so that I can stomp on them and know that I did something right for myself. You burned down my wooden house. It took me 5 hours to build. I'm going to go straight towards you and burn you down within 5 seconds. And you are going to die. You are going to die on Minecraft. And I'll be done laughing now, because you're going to have all that gold, wooden tools, everything. And I'm going to go up to you and just get out my flame and watch you burn to the ground. You're cute. Has anyone ever told you that? Really? They haven't?